Welcome to TechLeap channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable high contrast mode in your Samsung TV. So at first go to your TV home screen. Now you have to press this settings button from your remote to open up your TV settings. Now at the bottom you can see settings option, then just press OK button from your remote. After that go to all settings option. If you cannot find any settings button in your remote, then you can look for menu button option. Now from here scroll down and then go to general and privacy. After that go to accessibility and then scroll down, and here you can see high contrast option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Now if you enable this option from here, then it will increase the contrast between the text and background for Smart Hub and the setting menu. Now to enable high contrast mode, we have to just select it and then press OK button from remote. And that's it. You can see in my TV high contrast mode has been enabled successfully. And that is how you can enable high contrast mode on Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.